quick update on the LR3. We've done quite a bit of work. I have a couple of videos coming on the phase 1 mechanicals we did, but just been a bit short of time recently, so I just thought I'd show you what we've done cosmetically to the car. It's looking a lot better than when you first saw it in the introduction. Now, one of the things you will have noticed from when we first bought the vehicle, these headlights look terrible. These are not new lights. In the group on offer that Powerful do for the Valet, it includes buffing up the headlights, and look how good they've come out. They've really come out well, so really pleased with that. So the roof needed a complete respray. If you look at the video for the LR4 Valet, just up on the screen now, we took this to Powerhouse for a full valet as well, and they did an equally as good a job, if not better, than they did on the LR4. And for 350 dirhams they resprayed the roof, and they've done a really good job. Very impressed with that. It looks completely different. I mean, you can see now what it did look like before. So coming around the car, it's a little bit dusty now, but they've really cleaned up all the paintwork. And if you come round to the back, you'll see we've put in the Powerful UK LED LR4 type lights. They are beautiful. Just look at those. So that has really enhanced the car, and Powerhouse charged us 150 dirhams to do that. At the same time, they replaced the tailgate light, which was damaged. That was included in the 150 dirhams. I supplied the light, which I bought from China on Alibaba, much cheaper than the UK. You'll see a typical UK price and the AliExpress price on the screen now. And I supplied a polysulfide adhesive, aeronautical grade, for them to glue it in place. So really nice now. Really pleased with that. And then the final thing that we did, as you can see now, we've installed the Powerful UK LED lights, interior lights, and they look fantastic, particularly combined with the new headliner, which we showed in a previous video, and the new dash. The next job is going to be sorting out the wheels. Again, we've used a group on offer, and see how that works out. And we're going to change the tyres. We're going to try to go with 265 17s. I've seen online they should fit. We do have the Easy Lift kit from LR Passion, and that will be a video coming up shortly, so we will be able to control the height. So I don't think we're going to have any issues on that. I'm still deciding which tyres, so if you've got any suggestions, comments below. Remember, this is a budget restoration, so none of the jewelers and all of that, please guys. If you've got some good cost-effective recommendations, I'm looking at a couple at the moment. I won't be doing it for a week or so. I'll fit the Easy Lift kit first, but I would like some ideas on the tyres, and if you think that size is going to work. So the next video, I will be going through phase 1 mechanicals that we did. It was a lot more work than we expected, but guess what? You buy an LR3 for 10,000 dirhams, you know you're going to spend a bit of money on it. But I can safely say air suspension, brakes, hubs, control arms, control joints are all as good as new now. So we will not have any problems with those for a long time. But that'll be in the next video. So that'll come up in the next video on the LR3. I may have an LR4 video before. As I as I say, this is like a hobby, it's not a full-time job. So as I get progress and time, I'll be updating you all. And great big shout out to all the people who subscribed in the last week or so. It's really good for the channel. You know, my intentions on this channel, hopefully to make a bit of money to cover some of the parts that I buy, but more importantly, help all you guys find garages and find ways to maintain these beasts more cost effectively. So until next time, thanks very much.